Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In this lesson, we are going to learn part 4 of Swalla Jathi. From here, stamp on the heel. 1, 2. So I'm placing my right foot forward again and crossing it back. So I'm facing diagonal here, my left side diagonal, all right? And then, so 1, 2, dit, tit, tai. That's the movement with the right foot. With the hands, what we are going to do, Ala Padma. From Ala Padma, we are going to go in the position of Nattadu fifth half. Here. Tat, jham. Takka, jham, jham, ta. So let me just face you and show it to you. So it's going to be tat, jham, takka, jham, jham, ta. Alright? With the legs, tat, jham, takka, jham, jham, ta. Now, from here, I'm going to turn towards my left. Okay, so this is a little bit complicated. From here, I'm going to turn and face my right diagonal. I'm keeping my left foot on this spot, spinning and facing the right. Hands, you should ended up over here, Tripataka Hasta Natarabha position. This Kapitha to the left. From here, we are going to just draw Pataka and drop it here. I'm facing my right diagonal now. So it will look like this here. Okay. So from here, here. Now I'm going to go back. You can do tatai teta or tai taitam. If you take a spin very fast, you will remain with one extra beat. If you're taking 2 beats to take a circle, you can do tai taitam. Okay. So I'm going to do tai taitam for now. So see, my left hand remains in Kapitha. With my right foot and right hand, I'm drawing a circle, semicircle basically, and going to the right corner. Okay, so tai, tai, tam. From here, we are going to stamp the right foot in Samabada position. Okay, I'm just going to teach you the legs first. Stamp the right, jump on the spot. Okay, now hands. From here, we are just going to push the Kataka Mukha in Natarambha position straight. Okay, push and jump. All right. So while jumping, you jump and take your hands down. That's also fine. So 1, 2. Okay. Again, 1, 2. Now, so with my right, I'm going to turn back. Did tai in Samapada position. From here, I'm going to jump down. So basically, dhittai. I'm going to sit in Muramundi position. Dhittai and come up. Okay. So it's the whole movement. Dhittai and up. All right. While doing this, I'm going to take Tripataka, circular and coming back. Okay. So I'm going to do dhittai up. Takatadi with my right. Takatadi fast. Okay. From this particular position, we are going to go straight now. Okay, right and left. Let's see the legs because legs are a little different. So we are going to do ta tai tai ta, dhit tai dhit tai. So tattai taha dhittai taha is last. Okay. So with the right foot, ta tai tai ta, dhit tai dhit tai. Now left side, dhit tai tai ta, dhit tai dhit tai. Okay. While doing this, our Tripataka is facing back, right hand, correct? So now hands are going to be from your right side, you're going to take a circle, semicircle down basically, and go diagonally up and do dittai. All right? Same with the left. Ta tai tai ta, dittai. Let me just turn back and show it to you the whole thing, okay? So when we are done from dit tai ta ka ta digina to. You're going to go ta tai tai ta dhit tai dhit tai dhit tai tai ta dhit tai dhit tai. All right. I'm still going to face back so you know that how it should be. The next one, we are going to use the periodical last one. So in Aramandy position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So the whole thing is going to look like tarita dhanatata tarnatata tatatata taratata dhimta dhanitata taratata. Okay. So you are going to do the whole periodical last one in the third speed. Now, once you finish your periodical and come back to the center, basically, with your left foot back, what we are going to do is we are going to jump right and left. So it's going to be right jump, left jump. So I'm just changing my profile. From the center, right jump, left jump. Then turn your right foot out and place it on heel. Go on that foot, turn your left and place it on the heel. And there you are going to pause. So what we are going to do for the jumps, the hands, we are going to just do Latak here. Okay. So you finished it over here. Okay. Dhit tay, dhit tay. Right hand up with right foot and Hausasya. Left hand up with left leg. Place it down. Both the hands are, palms are facing up. So the whole thing will look like Sim ta 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 ta, like that. In this part, we are going to learn up till here. Now, in the next part, which is the last part of it, we are going to do the last bit which is remaining with the Tihai. And I really hope that you got all the parts. If not, just let me know in the comment box below that what are your questions and everything, and I should answer that. I hope that you like this video. If you have liked it, please share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing. Only legs are going to move because we have that, that particular portion is very fast. So instead of doing hands and legs together, we are just going to concentrate on the legs.